The British Isles. Scottish flag, the Irish flag, the English flag, the Welsh flag. The British Isles are a group of islands off the northwest coast of continental Europe. The British Isles are made up of Great Britain, Ireland, and more than 6,000 smaller islands. Great Britain is made up of Scotland, England, and Wales. The United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland comprises of Scotland, England, Wales, and Northern Ireland. About 136 of the islands are permanently inhabited. Central Ireland and southern Great Britain are low-lying. Scotland is situated north of England. The capital of Scotland is Edinburgh. Ben Nevis in the Scottish Highlands is the highest mountain in the British Isles at 1,343 metres. Loch Ness is famous for the monster Nessie. Loch Lomond is the biggest lake or loch in Scotland. The Trossachs National Park is the essence of Scottish scenery, with its beautiful landscapes, fauna and flora. Wales. Wales lies to the southwest of Great Britain. The capital of Wales is Cardiff. The languages spoken are Welsh and English. The coastline is rugged. The mountainous national parks are Snowdonia National Park in the north and Brecon Beacons and the Black Mountains in the southeast. In Snowdonia, you can see the best glaciated valley in Britain. Wales is famous for its castles. The River Severn is the longest river in the British Isles. Its source is in the Cambrian Mountains. Ireland is an island in the North Atlantic Ocean. It is situated in the northwest of Europe. It is separated from Great Britain in the east by the North Channel, the Irish Sea, and St. George's Channel. The Atlantic Sea lies to the west of Ireland. The Celtic Sea lies to the south between Ireland and France. Ireland is the second largest island of the British Isles. It is divided into the Republic of Ireland in the south, Northern Ireland in the north. Geography and climate. Ireland has low-lying mountains surrounding a central plain. There are several rivers which are navigable. The River Shannon is the longest river. There is green vegetation on the island. The island is also called the Emerald Isle because it is so green. The climate is changeable but mild. Summers are not hot. The west is wetter and sometimes there is snow. The most snow is found in the north in Ulster. The Aran Islands in County Galway. These islands are famous for the traditional knitted Aran sweaters. They are located off the west coast of Ireland. There are no cars. The locals speak Gaelic and drive pony traps. There are 3 World Heritage Sites on the island: Brunei Boyne, County Meath, Skellig Michael and Little Skellig, County Kerry. These are UNESCO World Heritage Islands. The Giant Causeway. This is the only UNESCO World Heritage Site in Northern Ireland. It is made up of 40,000 polygonal basalt rock columns. They were formed by ancient volcanic landscape on the coast. Language. 2 main languages spoken are Irish, English. Shelta is the language spoken by the nomadic Irish travellers. Northern Ireland was created in 1921. It is made up of 9 counties of Ulster, England. The capital of England and the United Kingdom is London. It lies to the southeast of England. England borders Scotland in the north and Wales to the west. The Irish Sea lies northwest of England. The Celtic Sea lies to the southwest. The North Sea lies to the east, and the English Channel lies to the south. The terrain comprises low hills and plains in central and southern England. To the north there are the uplands in Dartmoor, the Pennines in the southwest, the Cotswolds, the Lake District. The population in England is 53 million. London's population is nearly 9 million. Famous landmarks in London are the Houses of Parliament, Big Ben, the bell inside Elizabeth Clock Tower, Westminster Abbey, the London Eye, London Bridge, the Royal Parks. Sports. The most popular sports are swimming, athletics, cycling, football, golf, badminton, tennis. Gang culture and murder in the big cities. The murder of Stephen Lawrence. While waiting for a bus, this is Stephen Lawrence. While waiting for a bus in the suburbs of London in 1993, Stephen was murdered in a racially motivated attack. Doreen Lawrence, his mother, Stephen's mother, campaigned for justice and showed how the police were racially prejudiced against black people. She helped change the laws in Britain. Some police are still prejudiced to some extent. Left, Stephen Lawrence, 2 of his murderers. Most gang-related organised crime is concentrated around London, Manchester and Liverpool, the South Coast and Northern England. Gang violence accounts for 65% of murder by shooting in England and Wales. Famous bands and singers and musicians. The Beatles, the Smiths, New Order, Queen, Led Zeppelin, Rolling Stones, the Sex Pistols, The Cure, Black Sabbath, The Who, The Clash, Radiohead, Coldplay, Muse, Pink Floyd. Bye-bye.